Hey, what's going on, guys? Red Machine back from another video. Welcome back to another box break with the Target. Got myself a blaster box of 21-22 Upper Deck O-Pee-Chee. And every box you get 9 packs. Side of the box, you guys want to read the odds? Right there. Look for these blaster exclusive yellow border parallel O-Pee-Chee Premiers. I also got myself a fat pack of these, which look for 2 retro base set variations. Alright, so let's do this. I do want to say, guys, this is not hockey related, but the Cubs just won. The Cubs just won 21-0. See if I can get this to work. There's the odds. Oh, wait, no. These are the odds. Hopefully we can pull some Ovechkins, maybe some one-on-ones. 500 card base set. I believe next month I might get a hobby box of this stuff. Maybe. Alright. So here we go. Okay, next Schmaltz. Brandon Saad. The backs of card look like. And these are not too bad of a setup right now. I had to bend a little bit on my stomach, but it's fine. There's the back. Baron Holsby. There's a checklist variation. Alright. Jake Kopitar, yeah, pretty much O-Pee-Chee is kind of like heritage to me in baseball, where you can get pretty much players that never really get cards too much. It's pretty much the cool thing about it. Alex Tushk. Cody Eakin. Get a, where are these? Marquee rookies. Alex Newhook. So yeah, they had Series 1 blasters. They had Series 1 megas. I really want to open O-Pee-Chee, and they're only 2 per customer per day. You got 2 checklists of Hurricanes. Here we go, the Capitals. Alright, you got Canadians of Tyler Tufalani. Get a mini of Roman Yossi. These are the O-Pee-Chee Premiers. Got a Josh Anderson. Kako. Malcolm Subban. Anderson. Vince Dunn. Jamie Benn. Taylor Hall. Not Taylor Hall. Fucking Brad Marchand. That's what Theory Gaming does. And a Cal. I keep saying the name. Cal Connor. So definitely a nice pack right there. Here we go with the blaster. Hopefully I get the yellow parallel that guy on the side. Yeah, right now on Steel City Collectibles, I probably get a hobby for like $50. box empty here. Did a little rip on the side. Okay. Radlov, Reeves, Aaron Dillon. Got a yellow of Quinn Hughes. Yellow border. Either not numbered. Alright. Jason Spencer. Chauncey Quick. Packs are really easy to open. You got an Adam Vorquist. Hawks are really shit this year. We got a marquee. No, we got league leaders. Of Phillip. We got a Penguins. O-Pee-Chee insert of Casey D. Smith. Nice card. I did see a blaster box of 12-13 O-Pee-Chee. I might have to pick that up sometime. Johnson, Zadina, Adol, Kruji. Bowman Byram. We got a marquee rookie of Morgan Byram. Nice rookie. Jonathan Huberto. Anton Khudobin. Adam Henry. And we got a Torrey Krug on the Blues. Former Bruin right there. Capitals won last night 2-0. Watched the entire game last night against Coyotes, and I would say it's probably one of the weirdest games I see this year because one guy got it in and empty netter by Kuznetsov. Or not Kuznetsov, Carlson. We got Jack Eichel, McLeod, Checklist, Jeremy Drysdale, marquee rookies. We got a yellow border of Steven Stamkos. So we got two of these. Yandel, Cam Atkinson, and McDowell. Lightning, okay. Probably put the checklist in the description below. Tyler Bertuzzi. Jacob Verana. It's no longer on the caps anymore. Hannafin. I think these are the retro ones. Season highlights. Okay, no. Kirill Kaprizov. I guess pretty good. And you got Tim Tessuzel. Tessuzel. I don't know how to say his name. Miniature right there. And Ethan Bear. I like those Orla jerseys a lot. Same with the neon stars. So far, no Ovi yet. Got 4 more packs. Yeah, Suitor. Nice card. Carey Price. We got myself a rookie of, not gonna pronounce that name, I don't know how to. Okay, these are the retro, I believe. Mark Giordano. So no, oh, we got a blue of Nate Schmidt from the Canucks. Are these numbered? They are not, I believe. You know, nice to see some color though of that product. At some point, I have to open up Platinum. Alright, 3 more cards in that pack. I kind of like opening stuff like this right now. Not really bad background. Just for now, guys. I'll have a new background sooner or later. There we got a Balsers. Got a Connor Brown. We got another yellow. Nikita Khrushchev. Nice. You got Stamkos. Now we got Khrushchev. And you got Lightning Fans. Carlson. Charles Manson. Jake Evans. Letty. Edmonton Checklist. Mason Marshman, I think that's his name. Retro. Philip Myers. Aiden Hill. Tyson Berry. And a Jordan Greenway for the Wild. I really like these cards. I'm going to get a storage box next month with this stuff and Series 1 and probably some, I don't know. I already got MVP. Last pack, guys. Next month, I'll open a hobby for you guys. Really want to open up some 2021 also at some point. Come on, Ovechkin. See another color. What I did. Fierro. Yeah, there it is. Sam Bennett. Chris Kreider. Cam Tablet. Jack Muzzin. You got a rookie of David Ferentz. You got a Blackhawk retro of Adam Borquist. And our blue goalie. Aiden Hill. So you get 2 blues out of this box. That's not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. I do like this card. This is probably my favorite card in the break. That or the Khrushchev. Actually, yeah. Probably the Stamkos, but like Khrushchev. He's one of my favorite players of all time. Ovechkin's my favorite player of all time. But yeah, guys, that was a fun break, man. 500 card base set was a lot of nice like inserts and stuff. All the parallels. Red Odds Blaster 1 out of 36 packs. Blue Hobby Pack or Fat Pack. Hobbies 1 out of 3. Fat Pack 1 out of 6. Retail Flash Blaster. So blue borders are easy to get. You got our borders. We got blue. We got red. We got neon green. Number the 50. And we got Hobby printing plates 1 of 1. Yeah, that's a checklist right here. So if you guys want to see players you never seen products, get this stuff. And the base short prints are, so yeah, there's a 600 card set. Pretty much base cards are 100 or 500. You got season highlights. So yeah, I guess stuff is nice. I don't know what I just did. Alright guys. Oh. Yeah, like you get like nice mini cards with this stuff. Mini cards. Quite working. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This was 20, 21, 22 O-Pee-Chee. Alright, peace.